Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at Matplotlib, and we're going to revisit a bar chart, but we are ultimately going to be looking at grouped bar charts, or side-by-side bar charts. So alright, the last time we used this information, we used a stacked bar chart, but this time we're going to use a lot of the same information, but the layout is going to be completely different. So I just wanted to remind you. So all right, that's why it is so important for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have videos like this coming out all the time, building one upon the other. So all right, we do not need this. All right, and I was looking at it. That's kind of cheating right there. So really this should be down here, and I'll explain why. So len of teachers. So okay, so these are my tick groupings, and this is where the marks go. So I want range, I want an array, the length of this. So that's really best practice. So all right, now we need to add one thing, because the last time we had, let's bring this back up, 35, the width. So we're actually gonna make that variable up here. So we'll explain that, the width of the bar chart. So let's move this down here and go back to len teachers. Okay, and I think I don't have enough parentheses. There we go. Okay, so all right, let's go ahead. Oh, width, because we need to do a little bit of math on the grouped bar chart, and we'll stick with 0.35. So okay, and we need to do our fig x and plots subplots. All right, so let's get this going. Bar 1 x bar. Okay, so this is where it gets a little weird. So we're going to start splitting up where in our last example we stacked them. So now we have to do a little bit of math of side by side, and this is how it looks like. So we're going to take the width, then we're going to divide it in half, and we're going to move the boys to one side and the girls to the other. So okay, so we're going to subtract the width, half of it. Just hang in there with me. And so boys, then the width, the thickness of the bar chart, then 2 bar chart. So we did the half and we subtracted it, so we offset it. This one we're going to go on the other side. We're going to add. This is just offsetting. That's how I want you to think about it. Oops. 2, and I got too many commas there. Girls, and then width. Close that out, and then let's run this. Boom. So here we are. These charts are easier for me. Yes, on the stacked you could see the total, but you'd have to do some math. For me, I kind of go, okay, 20, this is easier. Adding is much easier for me than subtracting. So yes, I can go, all right, Miss Golden has 22, Miss Smith has 20, and Miss Morgan also has 22. And we go from there. But now, next time, a little bit of a hint, we're going to actually start annotating and putting the numbers here so we can make sure that we know what is what. But most super important is please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below. And then also, maybe we'll throw in a legend, because right now we don't know which is which. This isn't telling a whole story. We have no information along the side, but I love the grouped bar chart. So keep those comments, questions, video requests coming. You guys are doing phenomenal. I think next video we're gonna make an announcement on those. So please make sure we're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we don't want you getting behind or getting lost or any of that. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.